All right, so the road to Uttar Pradesh is via Delhi. This, remember, is not just said for the sake of it, but those who understand and read politics actually swear by this. And the Yogi Adityanath government, remember, is about to complete its term, as we'll be looking at the big Uttar Pradesh elections next year, but a lot is on the cards. The reason why Yogi Adityanath himself, the Uttar Pradesh chief minister, is in the national capital, in fact, I think on the streets, you're looking at the first images of him meeting with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, a meeting that concluded just a little while earlier at his residence. Not just this, he's expected to meet with JP Nadda a little later. JP Nadda, remember viewers, also has met with the Prime Minister earlier. And Yogi Adityanath is going to be meeting with the Prime Minister tomorrow. So it's going to be a big Friday meeting. Our colleague Piyush joining us live right now in this edition of The Biggest Story to get you the insight of what has happened so far. You know, Piyush, we are playing out these images of Yogi Adityanath meeting with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah a little earlier. Tomorrow he's meeting with the Prime Minister. But what are you learning from your sources? The first bit is about the slight bit of discontent in the UP BJP that really wanted a new face, because they said the way the entire COVID-19 pandemic has been held perhaps could be, questioned by the voters. But is this something that the BJP central brass will actually do? And what about a cabinet reshuffle also that was spoken about?
Well, yes, Deepthi, we are right now showing you the pictures of Yogi Adityanath meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and you can clearly see that he has also exchanged a book with Union Home Minister Amit Shah. So it was more than an hour meeting which took place at Amit Shah's residence, and after meeting Amit Shah, Yogi Adityanath is now back at UP Southern, where he reached after reaching to national capital. There is a lot of relevance of this big meeting, because it is not only regarding the kind of developmental works which Yogi Adityanath is focusing in Uttar Pradesh, but also politically this meeting was very important, because tomorrow, he is going to meet, Yogi Adityanath is now going to meet with the Prime Minister as well as BJP's National President JP Nadda. And if we talk about Uttar Pradesh, we have seen as to how recently, COVID-19 second wave had hit the entire state. Many people, were complaining about, about the lack of oxygen, lack of beds. But it was Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath who had held several meetings, and he toured almost every district of Uttar Pradesh and took the review meetings of the COVID-19 in almost every district, which has really helped not only the administration but also to the people, where we saw it was we saw that there was a massive dip in the number of cases. After that, the efforts of Chief Minister was also lauded by many insiders itself, by the top leadership of BJP itself. Prime Minister had himself lauded the kind of efforts those were being put forth by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Now what we are given to understand, if we talk about our sources, BJP has almost given a green signal, in which what we are told is that Yogi Adityanath is now going to lead the campaign for BJP in Uttar Pradesh. Also on the other side, a coordination committee will be formed to coordinate the kind of efforts which will be put forth by BJP. So that's the update which we are getting right now. Also, before I toss it back to you, Deepthi, let me tell you that right now where I am reporting from is 7 LKM Prime Minister's residence, where JP Nadda, BJP's National President, is meeting him, and the meeting is going on for the last more than 1.5 hours. So this meeting is also going to be very important. We'll have to wait and watch how tomorrow's meeting is going to take place, because Yogi Adityanath will be meeting, not only BJP's National President but also with Prime Minister, where he is now going to share about the kind of efforts which the UP government is putting forth as far as fighting COVID wave is concerned. And also on the sidelines of this meet, there are good number of chances that political developments in Uttar Pradesh will also be discussed with Prime Minister. Deepthi.
Oh yes, Piyush, do stay on with us. As I get in our colleague Madhurima also now, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Madhurima, Yogi Adityanath in fact has just taken to Twitter. I'm just reading out what he's tweeted. He says, आज आदरणीय केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री श्री अमित शाह जी से नई दिल्ली में शिष्टाचार भेंट कर उनका मार्गदर्शन प्राप्त किया. Then he goes on to say, भेंट हेतु अपना बहुमूल्य समय प्रदान करने के लिए आदरणीय गृह मंत्री जी का हार्दिक आभार. So Madhurima, he actually tells us that this was a courtesy meet. But again, as I said, that we are at Republic are not just the election headquartered, but we are also, keeping an inside track of what the politics in Uttar Pradesh right now is. There is a reason why Yogi Adityanath from UP comes to Delhi. He meets with a lot of BJP top brass today. He is meeting with the Prime Minister tomorrow. What are your sources within the BJP actually telling you? Because BL Santosh also earlier, remember, has made it very clear that Yogi is going to be our face come 2022. But could there be more organizational changes? Or as Aishwarya told us a little while earlier, Madhurima, that the possibility of that possibly right now is zero, but could things change between now and tomorrow when Yogi Adityanath meets with the Prime Minister?
Well, Deepti, that would be highly unlikely, because if we talk about cabinet reshuffle, that would not be very profitable for the BJP, because it's not going to yield much effects now, because it's just 8 months left. So a cabinet reshuffle just to improve the image will not impact much. However, the UP government is standing firm on the fact that they managed the entire pandemic situation very well, considering the geographics of the state and the density at the same time. Uttar Pradesh's geographic density is as equivalent to, let me tell you, Deepti, Brazil. But looking at the entire situation and the healthcare system, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister and his entire government claims that they have handled the pandemic quite well, looking at the supplies and the efficacy they had to, navigate through this entire second wave of COVID-19. Which is why when we talk about the entire political scenario, that remains strong in the BJP, which is why like our political editor highlighted, that there are not going to be any changes whatsoever in the cabinet, or at the same time there are not going to be change in the top rung of the BJP or the government. UP Adityanath is going to be the face, Deepti.
All right. But in politics, never say never. We at Republic will track every development of the big story. These are packed 2 days. Tomorrow is going to be very, very important when Yogi Adityanath meets with the Prime Minister. Madhurima is right outside the UP Bhavan, the UP Nivas in the national capital, where Yogi Adityanath now is stationed. He is meeting later also with JP Nadda. Piyush is outside the Prime Minister's residence. For the moment, thank you to both of you for piecing together developments vis-a-vis Yogi Adityanath.